So if you remember my last video, this thing's knocking. Don't mind this. It's not ready yet. Here, I'll show you. I did start it again to make sure that it was still knocking, and I checked the oil pressure, which I'll show you. Got good pressure, 55, 60 at idle. There's that thing working. I think it's maybe number 4 back here. But let me turn this thing off. I'm assuming it has a spun rod bearing. No, I don't want to put a whole lot more money into this thing, because I got, you know, a sweet-ass manifold on here that cost me like $550, plus the gooseneck. Electronic ignition, which is pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. I want the coil over there. Got this nice fin valley pan cover. These chrome rocker boxes, or valve covers, whatever you want to call them. I got the nice breathers, PCVs in there. Headers, custom exhaust, and this motherfucker starts knocking. New hose, you know. So I was thinking about just putting this thing in here right now instead of waiting until after power tour. But I'm not gonna have enough time to do that, and the chassis on this and 650 horsepower and manual drum brakes, probably not a good combination. So let me tell you what I did do. I got on the old Facebook Marketplace, and I found something for $300. Here you go. It's a Y block. Should be a 292. Came out of a 2.5 ton dump truck. I'm not sure what this transmission is. If you know, let me know. So has PTO on it underneath that big ass strap that's just tied together because it's all that guy had. And nice, it has a drum brake on it. It's pretty complete. Here's the trans, if you guys know. I didn't really have time to look at it, but there's some numbers right there. You probably can't make them out because they're caked in grease, but it has the original Holley 2-barrel on there. So, the only problem is, it's stuck tighter than that frog's ass. Whenever I try to crank it over, I'm pretty sure I just tighten that bolt. So, what time is it? It's almost 8 o'clock tonight. I really don't want to fuck around with anything tonight, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these plugs out of it, and we're going to throw a bunch of oil in there and see if it will turn over tomorrow. I didn't even see if this had oil in it, honestly. They said they just pulled it out and it sat in a shop, so. Here's a dipstick with a bunch of melted goo on there. That's nice. Let's see what we got, man. Not much. Well, that sucks. I wonder if they took that oil out of there or there was none in there. Oh man, I'm dirty. So, alright, that's all I got for right now. And let me know if you know what transmission that is. Let me know what it's worth. So I'm probably just going to get rid of it. Or I might use it for that emergency brake. I'm pretty sure it's emergency brake, isn't it? Yeah, I might use that fucking transmission. I'll tell you why. It's probably a 4-speed. And this has the flat tires on the back, but also the emergency brake is on the rear wheels of this. But my cover, it has a hole for that thing. Maybe I'll use it. Maybe I'll Frankenstein this motherfucker. I don't know. If you got an idea what I should do other than clean this fucking place up because it's a wreck, hit me up in the comments. All right.